Visuals coming in from Bangladesh. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is currently in Dhaka. He's landed and attended a meeting right now. It's the first high-level contact meeting after the government change, or the manner in which the government was overthrown. It's a big visit amid a lot of controversies, of course. We have seen disturbing times, whether it's attack on the Hindu minority or leading that to strained ties also to a certain extent between India and Bangladesh. So, of course, a big responsibility on the shoulders of India's Foreign Secretary as well. The immediate task will be to mend the strained ties with Dhaka. One of the Hindu monk, remember, remains arrested. India has slammed injustice over it. But for now, it will be diplomatic, official interactions as well between India and Bangladesh. Our Foreign Affairs Editor Geeta Mohan joins me. Geeta, so what is the purpose basically of Foreign Secretary's meeting in Dhaka? And importantly, what can we hear next on this? Remember that in the past few months, it was in August, when Sheikh Hasina's elected government was overthrown. And then, since then, there has been a lot of unrest and uncertainty too. Geeta continues to be with us on this. Geeta, yes, so first, why is the Foreign Secretary there? And what kind of, do you think, responsibility or perhaps the job or agenda at hand will be for him?
Well, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is in Bangladesh, and the timing is really of the essence over here. It is important to note that it comes at a time when there are various news and statements and reports coming out which might not be amenable to the idea of positive ties between India and Bangladesh. Having said that, these are Foreign Office consultations. They happen regularly. They are a very regular feature between India and Bangladesh. And on the premise of the Foreign Office consultation, Sheikh Misri is in Dhaka and is having conversations with his Bangladeshi counterpart. There are a few things that are important over here. One is that, yes, the Indian side is going to raise, or has probably already raised, the issue of minorities protection, that they do have legal rights, which is what spokesperson Ranjit Jaiswal in the weekly briefing also said. But apart from that, protecting interests of India in Bangladesh, there are massive investments and development projects that India is involved in. How to take that forward, not just continuing with this caretaker government, but also further when a new government is in place. Security scenario, another very important aspect between India and Bangladesh. And there were reports about some leaders suggesting or asking for extradition of Sheikh Hasina. The status of Sheikh Hasina could also come up, but primarily these are Foreign Office consultations for all aspects of the entire gamut of relations between India and Bangladesh, whether it's trade, investments, development cooperation between the two sides, the credit lines that are still ongoing, and most importantly, protection of minorities in Bangladesh.
All right, Geeta, as we stay on with this big story that, remember, because it also comes at a certain uncertain days that have followed the oust of Sheikh Hasina, how do you think India will be proceeding in this case? Eventually, it's about having a good relationship, irrespective of who is heading the government. And this time, it's Yunus, the government right now. So how do you think India is going to move ahead cautiously while tempers are running high in parts of India here?
Well, there are various ways of engaging, and India is doing that, not just engaging the caretaker government, but also all those countries that have interest in Bangladesh. The United States of America did play a very important key role. But with Trump administration now taking over on the 20th of January, and the way Trump has spoken of Bangladesh and the situation right now currently in Bangladesh, I suppose Washington, D.C., New Delhi also will be having conversations on the status and how things are going to unfold. Having said that, if there is a formal request, both sides will have to look at it, because India and Bangladesh are bound by treaty, and laws will have to be followed.
Let's hope then, Geeta, that we'll be able to reach, yes, a certain level of discussion, deliberation, diplomatically, specifically, to ensure ties are all right. Thank you very much for now, Geeta.